Hi, I'm Wendy, and today I'm going to be testing out the Rio Beauty 60-second facelift machine. Actually, I started using this a few weeks ago, and having snored for many years, one of the side effects that I think has come out of this is that it may have stopped my snoring. I think possibly something to do with the fact that it tightens up the throat muscles. So I've agreed to do a test for Rio Beauty to see whether that's the case. So apart from tightening the facial muscles, I think working on the throat muscles, it has in fact stopped my snoring. So I've stopped using it and my snoring's come back. So I'm going to start using it again and see whether or not the snoring stops again. So I'll show you how to use the gadget. First of all, you have the conducting gel, which you put quite a generous amount onto the electrodes there. And I'm going to show you the area around my neck. There are lots of areas around the face to do it, and the book in the Rio Beauty book does show you that very clearly. But I'm going to show the areas in terms of my snoring. So to switch the machine on, it's quite simple. You press the button, it will go hopefully to program 1, which is the program I use for the facelift. And then you can adjust the intensity with the plus and minus buttons. I'm going to start off at about 14 and see how that feels. So having put the conducting gel on, I can now feel that starting to pull the muscles in my neck. I don't know if you can actually see that working so well. I will say that I'm on holiday in Spain at the moment, so I thought this would be a good place to do the test. And I don't know if you can actually see the muscles, so I'm going to go a little bit more intense, and it's grabbing the muscles in my neck here, giving them quite a good work. I'll come a little bit closer to see whether you can actually see the muscles in my neck working. You have to just adjust the machine slightly until it goes to the right position. And in each area, it's about 60 seconds for each section. So that's working that muscle down from my ears, down my throat. You can just see it lifting the muscle here. I'm going to move that now, put a little bit more gel on the electrode, and then moving it underneath my chin. I can really start to feel it pull now on the muscles here. And as you can see, I've got this involuntary movement in my neck. If I move it here, you can see it start to pull my mouth a little bit. You can see my mouth moving down, that's the muscles contracting. That's not me pulling those faces, it is actually the machine doing this for me. And as I say, normally about 60 seconds in each area. The machine sort of comes on for a few seconds and goes off for a few seconds. It's mild discomfort, but it's not painful. And it's called a 60-second facelift because obviously you use it for 60 seconds in each area. As I say, today I'm just going to show you the areas around my face and neck. And behind my ear again. I just need a little bit more gel on. And as I say, we're on holiday in Spain. We've had a lovely time staying in a gorgeous villa overlooking Calpe on mainland Spain. And you can see here, yeah, it's really grabbing that muscle now, down my neck. face. When I'm doing it around my eyes, I would use a much lower intensity. But for the purpose of this, so that you can actually see it, I'm using quite high intensity. And there you go. So that's the area of my face worked. So I'm going to continue the test for the next couple of weeks to see whether or not it does in fact cure the snoring, and I'll report back in due course. Fingers crossed. Thanks a lot. Bye. Hi, well, as you can see, we've now returned from our 2-week holiday in Spain, and I have now been testing the Rio Beauty 60-second facelift gadget for the last 3 weeks. The fantastic news is that the 60-second facelift gadget has indeed massively improved my snoring. I would say, if I'm honest, that I'm probably still breathing slightly heavier than some people might, but definitely not snoring. Previously, I snored like a train was going through the house, much to my husband's disgust, and now he is delighted. So the fantastic news is that the 60-second facelift machine from Rio Beauty has indeed virtually cured my snoring, which is fantastic news. And in terms of anybody else wanting to try it, I wish you every success. Thanks very much. Bye.